Let's start with the prompt. Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? And let's go ahead and read the passage. Geoscientists have long considered this volcano to be Earth's largest shield volcano by volume, measuring this much. According to this study by this local geoscientist, the shield volcano is significantly larger. This other shield volcano, with a different name, is significantly larger, boasting a volume that's even bigger. So we see one that is supposed to be the largest. However, a different study showed that another one was even larger. So answer choice D is perfect.